What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Like I said yesterday, I was going to get some shipments coming in on a daily basis, which is kind of weird. I'm not used to it. I mean, that's just how Supreme does it. They actually ship everything out one order at a time, which is kind of wild. So if you got 15 items, you're probably going to get 15 boxes. Anywho, we're just going to get into this real quick. And yeah, tell me what you think. Let's get into this review / legit check, just in case these replica shops decide to make a replica pair. I'm sure it's probably already done or it's on the way. Not too sure how that works, but yeah, let's get into this box opening. Alright. As you see, they're still using that weird paper. It cracks me up. I feel like this is like a school project or something. It's like, wow. Alright, well, set that aside. As always, Supreme sticker. The shoe. The box. Just like the last one on the white one. I don't know what color this is. It's actually a surprise. Not too sure which one this is, actually. Figure it out. I actually got this box in today. And it's the black one. Yes, sir. Alright, well, I'm going to try to make this quick and short, because we do have the white review that we did. And we also do have the yellow one coming up. So, of course, same thing. Supreme Nike branding on the paper, of course. YCM sticker in the box, and you have your QC inspection sticker. Looks like there's a date code here. Looks like we are at 08/15/24 A1. Same box size, 320, 200 by 110. Okay, there you have it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Bottom of the box. Nice little. Alright. Go. I love that. Love that box logo. Just something about that. Alright. Sorry. Put away. Put that to the side. Actually gonna yeah. Ooh. And just like the other shoe, it is going to come with your laces already on. White and black, or black and white, should I say, laces. I'm sure the yellow one's going to have white and yellow laces. Here we go. Nice. And as always, they are sliding that through. All right. So real quick tag. I'm just gonna. Wow. Yeah, something about that snake print. It's just beautiful. Man, something about this black pair. Whew. Black pair is not playing. I dig this one too. Supreme hit on the back. World famous. Let's see, we got the tag, of course. Check that tag out. Make sure you guys ain't buying no fakes. Okay. In there. Nice. Alright, real quick, I'm going to do the same thing. I guess it's paper, and there's a small one for the toe. It's like a toe box paper or something, but okay. As you see, the inside, same thing. Sorry, let's get some light in there. All right, size tag is right above the Supreme box logo. All right, let's take a look. Tongue real quick, nice and sleek tongue. Supreme. Okay. Let's see. It's beautiful, man. I'm gonna take the inside out real quick. See what that's looking like. Ugh. Of course. All right, in there. This is the coolest thing ever. Okay. Little mark right there, but I guess it's all right. It's gonna be inside the shoe. All right, and last but not least is these numbers. Careful. Yes, sir. All right. And inside of the shoe, like I said, there's no stitching that is available to see by your eye. So, date code, I'll be able to read that to you. Date code is, I'm sorry, the size tag is SQ Factory 60524 and 071024. Wow. Okay. I'll make sure to throw in some shots of this tag right now. Okay. All right. Let me get this back in there. Just a quick little review. Legit check. I'm not too sure how the, like I said, how the replicate factories do it, or if they're just gonna do one color, or vice versa, if they're gonna make all colors and then send them out. But I'm thinking they probably wanted to get one in hand to know what the product looks like and yada yada yada. So there you have it. I'm not gonna pull out the second shoe. I'm sure you guys get it, how the shoe looks, but beautiful shoe. And if you got the gear to go with it, it's gonna be amazing in the springtime. Summertime's gonna be sick. The black is just gonna go with anything, man. It's a sick shoe. All right, thank you for watching this video. You can hit that like button and subscribe.